Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learning Bot channel. In this video, we're taking a plunge into the dynamic realm of programming, exploring Python, an exceptionally versatile and beginner-friendly language that opens the doors to endless possibilities. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's powerful, yet easy to read and write, making it perfect for beginners. Whether you're dreaming of creating websites, diving into data science, or even exploring artificial intelligence, Python has got your back. One of the things that makes Python so awesome is its simplicity. The syntax is clean and straightforward, allowing you to focus on solving problems rather than wrestling with the language itself. And let's talk about community support. It's incredible. There's a vast community of Python enthusiasts worldwide, ready to help you on your coding journey. So, whether you're stuck on a bug or just curious about best practices, you're never alone. Now, here's the exciting part. Python is not just for experts. It's for you. If you've never coded before, Python is an excellent place to start. But, it's also loved by seasoned developers for its scalability and wide range of applications. So, if you're ready to unlock the world of coding, Python is your key. Subscribe to Learning Bot channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks on mastering Python and beyond.